सर जी कुछ जरूरी बात करनी है, मेरे पास कोई चॉइस नहीं थी। खैर मैं ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लूंगी आपका, चले जाऊंगी ना कल।
झनक, तुम मेरे लिए इतनी महंगी रिंग लाई हो?
क्या महंगा? मैंने कहा ना आपसे, जो कुछ आज तक आपने मेरे लिए किया है उसके सामने ये रिंग कुछ भी नहीं है। पहनेंगे आप?
नहीं।
Ani is worried about the safety of Jhanak as she travels back to Jammu for her exams and has asked for the Jammu police for protection and help her. But this conversation is overheard by Bipasha and she in turn informs Shrishti about all arrangements made by Ani for Jhanak. And now Shrishti plays a dirty game to remove Jhanak from their lives forever by informing none other but Tejas. But at the same time, both Jhanak and Ani cannot bear the separation from each other, yet do not express their love also for each other. But Jhanak then gives a diamond ring to Ani as a wedding gift, the same pair that she had also given to Arshi. But Ani doesn't take it and keeps taunting Jhanak, hoping that she will express her feelings for him openly once. But Jhanak has too much self-respect as well as for her and Ani's happiness matters, as she had overheard him saying loving words to Arshi, even though Ani had done this on purpose just to hurt Jhanak then. But now she also accuses Ani that she is not like him, that she will gift a gift she brought for him to somebody else, remembering the sindoor he had put on her, which now he will put on Arshi. But amidst all the little quarrels, there is a deep love brewing between the two, which neither wants to express with the fear of hurting the other. But one thing is clear, Ani now cannot live with Jhanak anymore. So what will Ani do now to bring Jhanak back? Keep watching this space for more on the interesting love story of Ani and Jhanak.
तुम रखो इसे।
क्यों? मैं कैसे रख सकती हूँ? मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ ना, तो फिर
अपने होने वाले पति को पहना देना, शादी होने के बाद।
ये रिंग मैंने आपके लिए ली, किसी और को कैसे दी? मैं आपकी तरह नहीं, जो आप करते हैं वो मैं नहीं कर सकती।
अच्छा, और मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ?
किसी का किसी और को दे दो। मैं ये नहीं कर सकती।